Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to do a few things. Today is one of the things is to find out what a type of variable is. I'll give an example. Let's put name equals, and let's do Joe, right? And let's do age equals 23. Let's do weight equals 50.2. Okay? And here's how we find out the types of the variables. So we come down here and put print, and we do type, and then we do name. And see it right here, it says str, that's string. And be sure, like in Python, you always have to memorize how you do things. So in this example, here's how they do the format: print, parentheses, type, parentheses, name, and then make sure you do two parentheses, because if obviously if you do one parentheses, it's going to have an error. And then we come down here and put print, and then we do the same thing, parentheses, type, and we do let's see, we do age. Okay, and then see it says class integer, which just means a number. And then we come down here and put print, and then we do type, and then we do weight. And then see it says float, which means it's not a whole number. It's like 50.2. Anything that has a decimal and something else, it's a float. And Python has an inbuilt input function also. So what it does, it reads what the user inputs from the keyboard. This function is really valuable. I'll give an example here too. So let's put input, and then we put just immediately a parentheses, and we put enter. Let's see, enter your name, colon, and let's do parentheses. Yeah, like that. And see, it immediately enters by itself. It says enter your name, and let's just put Joe, right? And it says Joe. And let's come down here and put, let's do a few spaces, right? Just to make it easier. Username equals, and we put input, enter your name. And it says enter, it immediately says enter your name, and we put Joe. Okay. And then we come down here and put print username, and it says Joe. All right, now let's get some more information from the user. Let's come down here and put username equals, let's do this again. Just username equals input, and then put, let's do this again, make it easier, and put your name. And it says enter your name, Joe. And then we put age, and put enter your age. And it immediately prompts, it says enter your age. Let's just put 23. And then we put, let's see, let's do print username. So it says Joe. And then let's put print age, 23. And there's one more kind of tricky thing, and I'll show you what the tricky thing is. So let's come down here and just check the types. So print type, and then the print. Make sure you do the parentheses username. Make sure you do 2 parentheses or have an error. And so it says string. So the username is string. That makes sense. And so come down here, put print type, and put age. And see, type age. So it says string, but that's kind of weird because the number is 23, so why is it string? It should be integer, right? So the thing is, when in Python, when you use input, things in Python automatically puts them as strings. And there's one way to fix it, and I'll show you how. Age equals integer, input parentheses, input into your age. Print. Into your age. Invalid syntax. Perhaps you forgot a comma. Where'd the comma go? Okay, so I just did what I told you not to do. So let's go over here and put age. If anybody caught that, integer, input, enter your age, and 2. See, so that's what this error was. You just need to have 2 of these parentheses here. So now it prompts, it says enter your age. Let me put 23, right? So that's how you fix that. And then let's go down here and it says, let's see, print type age. See, it changed it to integer. So that's how you fix that. Like I said, anytime you use input, it changed everything to string. And so here's how you change it back. Put that integer right here. So hope that helped you out, guys. All right, thanks.